Hello, my name is Mahendra, and today we're going to have a look on a poetry named A Slumber Did My Spirit Seal by William Wordsworth. So, initially, we are going to start by understanding the poetic meter and rhyming scheme of the poetry. So, the very first line and the last line, for 1, 2, 3, 4, they make a rhyming scheme called A, seal, B, fierce, again feel because it connects the vibration with the first line, sealed, last word, seal and field, okay? So seal, fierce, feel, ears, A, B, A, B. A slumber did my spirit seal. Now, we are going to understand the meter of this poetry. A slumber did my spirit seal. It contains iambic tetrameter. First, we'll understand iamb, then we'll understand tetrameter. So iamb means a slum. First one is unstressed, a slum is stress. So when the unstressed syllables is followed by a stress syllable, it is called iamb, okay? A pair of the syllable. So a slum, unstressed and stress, did. Unstressed and then stress, did. My spree, this is called unstressed and then stress, read, sealed. It's called again unstressed and the stress. So a slum is up to one pair, did second pair, my spree third pair, read, seal is fourth pair. It is called iambic tetrameter. Therefore, it is called iambic tetrameter. Second line, I had no hue, is now unstressed and then stress. I had no hue. Unstressed and then hue is stress. No hue. Man fierce is unstressed and then stress. Again, iambic trimeter, not the tetrameter. Why? Because it contains 3 syllables. I had no hue, man fierce. Okay, so first line is iambic tetrameter, second line is iambic trimeter, and rest are following the same pattern. Slumber did my spirit seal. So slumber means relaxation or break. So maybe the poet had taken the break. So this slumber had impacted the spirit of poet. Seal means impact. I had no human fears. And the consequences are that the poet is not feeling the human fears. Now the poet asserts a lack of human anxiety and a fear during this slumber. She seemed a thing that could not feel the touch of earthly ears. Now the poet talks about the subject of the poetry, she, probably Lucy. So she seemed a thing. Now the poet has used the metaphorical comparison that she is a thing. Okay, this is a metaphor. So she cannot feel anything, the touch of earthly ears. Earthly ears means the time period. So she was the thing and she was unaffected by the time period, of the earth. No motion has she now, no force. So she has no motion. She was motionless. She was separated from the sensation. Separated from the sensation means because she was not feeling the motion. She was not feeling any force. There was no force. So she was totally separated from the sensation. She neither hears nor sees. So she neither hears nor sees. She's not hearing anything. She's not seeing anything. But rolled. She's rolling. Rolled round in Earth's diurnal courses. Earth diurnal courses means Earth daily cycle of rotations. And the course means the path. Okay. Rotation, when the Earth rotates on its axis, it's called the course. Okay. And the diurnal means that Earth cycle when the Earth is moving. So rolled round. She's rolling round. In Earth. She was in Earth. Whoever she was in the Earth. So she's rolling with the Earth in the diurnal courses with the rotation of the Earth, with rocks and stones and trees. And now the poet talks about her companions. Her companions are the rocks, stones and the trees. These are the natural sources that are also rotating with her. So this is the meaning of the poetry. I hope you understood it. So thanks for watching this video.